The next thing is super cool because everyone nowadays likes to shop on their phone. That's why we have Jamie, quite frankly, because she's one of those younger guys who every time I see her, she's buying something on her phone. Just kidding. So I'm going to show you right now. Me and Jamie are going to walk. Oliver's going to set up a split screen, and I'm going to show you how the site looks on my phone at the same time that Jamie's going to shop on the site. So I'm going to bring it up, and I just want to check with Oliver that the whites are. It's good. Cool. So here's our website. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see we've got our featured collection items. We go down. I've got my featured product. I've got the blog articles, you know, just as if you were. And I can even go live and hit the live button. So I'm going to hit the live button now just to show people that it works on the phone. And there's where I was just a second ago on the phone. But now I'm going to go back to the top, and I want to go to a specific brand. And let's go shopping on Atomos, okay? Atomos, there you go. I've got the Atomos landing page that we have on our website, and there are all the great Atomos products. Now, I know the Ninja's a super hot product, so I'm going to click on the Ninja and show you how that looks. And there's the Ninja. Looks great on mine here as well. Got our specs in it. Really cool stuff. So I want to thank you guys. I love that the site can be operated from your phone, and that was just that little demo of how that's our usability. So great job on that.